Do you want to know how you can log into your Edelweiss Mutual Fund account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to Tech Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Edelweiss Mutual Fund account. Go ahead and open Chrome or Edge browser on your PC, go to the Google search bar, then search for Edelweiss Mutual Fund login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen. It will take you to the official login page of Edelweiss Mutual Fund. Or else, you can go to the official page of Edelweiss Mutual Fund and you can find the login portal on the top right hand side of your screen. You can see login over here. Click on it and it will eventually lead you to the official login portal. Now to start, go ahead and write down your PAN card number. Make sure your PAN card number is correct. After that, write down the characters which are over here. Write down the characters, and if they are hard for you, go ahead and click reload. This is reload. Click on it and you can click begin now. After that, write down your password and then click sign in. This way you can sign in to the Edelweiss Mutual Fund account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.